Like, I need to like hear different reasons.
Yeah, you mean?
Family.
Yeah, that's
People, that's crazy. People are going to like me for different reasons. So I cannot pretend to be one, just let the world like me or something.
how would you know what to do?
You get.
Isn't it like you just have to be yourself?
Yeah, you just have to be yourself.
What do you want to do?
I don't. Some people are probably trying to be like the previous person or whatnot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I mean, the way people speak about the show, you know that people have so much knowledge about an ex-housemate or something, yeah. Tell the kind of person you are if I get to know you. So I already know how, mostly just like the way Kaisha spoke, I actually agree with her with most of the things she said. So I actually know. So even if you're seeing me close to you, and I know deep down you don't like me, I'm with you because I want to be with you, even when I know you don't like me.
Do you think I like you?
I think you do.
I think you're a good person.
Thanks.
But to be honest, I feel like I don't know if you're always this quiet.
I dropped you here.
Nengi. I will leave, I will leave. I don't understand. No wonder. Nengi is the biggest cheat. Hey, God. Hey.
That's the thing, guys. I feel like you're a very protective partner. Extremely protective. You're not somebody that want to really do that. All my friends know my girlfriends kind of be. Like you having a girlfriend, with your boys in the same